Today we are covering questions and answers for AZ-104 Microsoft Azure Administrator. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our next question is, you have an Azure subscription named Subscription 1 that contains virtual network named VNet 1. You add the users in the following table. Which user can perform each configuration? To answer, select the appropriate option in the answer area. This is the hot area. Add a subnet to VNet 1, this table. Assign a user the reader role to VNet 1. This is the answer part, the ones highlighted with green color. User 1 and user 3 only from this table and user 1 only from this table. Our next question is, you have an Azure resources shown in the following exhibit. You plan to track resource usage and prevent the deletion of resources. To which resource can you apply locks and tags? To answer, select the appropriate option in the answer area. This is the table for locks. This is the table for tags. This is the answer area. Sub1, RG1 and VM1 from the locks table, and sub1, RG1 and VM1 only from the tags table. Moving to our next question. You have an Azure storage account named Storage1 that contains a blob container. The blob container has a default access tier of hot storage1 contains a container named container1. You create lifecycle management rules in storage1 as shown in the following table. Name, rule scope, blob type, blob subtype, rule block and prefix match. You perform the actions shown in this table. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. These three are the statement. We find that all three statements are correct. Our next question is, you have an Azure subscription. You plan to use Azure Resource Manager template to deploy 50 Azure virtual machines that will be a part of the same availability set. You need to ensure as many virtual machines as possible are available if the fabric fails or during servicing. How should you configure the template? To answer, select the appropriate option. This is the hot area. The answer part, the one highlighted with green color.